In today's video, I am going to show you a AI tool with the help of you can create, design or build the website or the landing pages in just few minutes with the minimal effort. And the best part is also the so many great templates available. No matter what is your business, you can just add or use any of these templates in your website and your website is built with just few minutes. After that, whether you have just generated the website with the help of AI or use its template, you can do this some customization. If you don't believe me, this is the website for the social media marketing services I have created with the help of AI here. Look at this scrolling graphics here. We have the customized images and the text available, and you know this is the not that much of the perfect website you have assumed with the help of AI you have generated, but we are at least some point from just thinking out in our minds here. No worries, we can make it better. So to make it better, what you can do, you can just go to its website editing panel here. You can just select the element and after that make it customized. Suppose you want to change the text, you can add or remove or add more text here. You can change its color. Right now it's in the green, you can make it black, you can make it red, you can make it green, whatever the thing you can do it here. It's that damn easy. It has all the elements available, whether it's column, text, images, you want the forms, you want the pop-up, you want to add the video, you can just make it drag and drop and add that element here. It's that damn easy here. So this is the crazy AI tool. Right now I'm going to give you a detailed review video and you can check it out. No code website builder for cloud or the WordPress. Yes, you can even use this website or AI tool for even your WordPress sites. This is the crazy part here. So let me go to the products and here you can check it out. We have the AI website builder. You want to do it on the custom hosting or you can even get the cloud hosting from the Brizy itself. You can use it and make the white label AI website. It has the cloud option that is going to give you all the white label features. You can publish the video, you can publish your website, you can publish your Saas platform or the tool. You can use it for the hosting, blogging, all this stuff here. Plus, like I said, you can even use this Brizy AI on the WordPress site. So it has a dedicated plugin available. It is going to all the features offer like the drag and drop builder. We have the design tool, we have the white labeling, theme builder, we have the pop-up builder. All this stuff you are going to get under the one AI tool here. So this tool name is the Brizy Cloud and right now it's available on the AppSumo starting from the just let me go to the tier 1 plan. Starting from the just $59, you can read out, drag and drop your way to stunning client website with this AI powered site builder. Let me scroll down below and you can read more out. Create custom website pop-ups, alert to promote discounts and share important updates here. Let me scroll down below, you can check it out more stuff. You will got the create multiple proposals for clients. Yes, you can offer the clients websites here or the prototyping or the improving client satisfaction. So not only you can use the Brizy Cloud for your itself, but you can also offer your services for the web designing, developing with the help of the Brizy Cloud. That is the also way to earn the extra money. You can customize your design, your website, your elements, your blogs with just easiest way that I have showed you just right now. Plus there's also the feature available that will let you create your website straight from the Google My Business profile. There's the feature available, you can check it out. Build website with the one click with the Google My Business in Brizy AI. This is the also great feature. Let's click on the right here on the try now and let me give you a glimpse out of it, and after that I will talk about all the plans available here. So this is the really crazy tool that I think you should not miss out. There's also the 14-day trial available on its official site, but what I suggest, get its lifetime deal and within the 60 days you can return it if you didn't like it here. So you can see your website built by the AI. Click on the build your website and right now we are on the AI builder section available. We have to just add the site name. So you can just get the your site name from your Google My Business and add it here. And after that it's going to show you all the stuff. For me, let me go with the Infi gadgets. So this is the, you can check it out. You have just entered the business name here and it has found it out here. Okay, so that's how basically you can even find out your own business from the Google My Business. So select it here, click on the build website. Now what it will do, it is going to analyze the Google My Business profile information entered by you, and now based on those information it is going to build the website. That is the crazy part, hasn't it? Okay, so just let me know in the comments, have you seen any these kind of the crazy features for the website designing or the generation in any other AI tool? Okay, so just let me know in the comments. So right now it is choosing the fonts, images, pages, all this stuff. It will take a few minutes and boom, we got our website. So you see, within just 60 seconds, I think within just 60 seconds out of our Google My Business, we got our website here. So this is the demo I have just given you on the live screen, and look at the website. This is the crazy good looking. We got the menu, we got the images, we got this text stuff. And right now what you can do, you can check it out. If either this website is really good for you and you want to change and make it some customization, you have to just simply click it here on the edit and publish with Brizy. So let me click here, and now we'll be redirected to its editing section where we can just customize and make the website even more better. So we have to wait a little few seconds till it's going to be in the editing section. So we are here, and right now what we have to do, we have to select on the element we want to change or customize. For example, I want to change this header or this font here. So let me select here, and now we have the cursor. Let me remove the few text. Okay, and now our text is removed. We can add more, we can change the color, we can also use its AI. This is the AI text. We have to just command the AI what are the text we want to generate, and it will simply generate for us. So that is the also extra fast feature we have here. We want to change the image, so simply click here on the image, and now you can see from here we can change the image, we can change the background color, all this stuff. Or if we want to add this shadow kind of effect, we can also add that. If we want the change the color for this block section, so simply click it here. Okay, and okay, let me click here and click on this plus icon, and we got all the options available here. Okay, plus let me also give you a walkthrough of all these features. You can check it out on the left side. So if I click here on this CMS menu kind of this thing, now we have some extra things like we want to add a new page, new post, or the blog post, or the story, or the pop-up. We can just add it from here. So right now it's adding or the processing. So okay, we got here. So here you can check it out. This is the pages section. Right now we have only the home page, but we want to add more pages. So we have to click here on the add new page, and we can simply get the new pages here. That's the same way we can add the posts, we can add the stories, we can add the pop-ups, and we can add even the users or the team members with the desired rules to get it for this project or this website here. Okay, I hope you got it. And if you want to add some custom as asset, you can do it from here. This is your media library. Now let me click here on this plus icon, and we got all the elements and the blocks we can customize or drag and drop here on our website. For example, I want to add one more button. So what we have to do, there's the button blocks available or the element available. So simply drag and drop wherever the button you want to add and just paste it. Now you can see we got the button, and the best part, we got this button with the same desired configuration in the green color, in the same text font or the text size. That is also the cool part. I like it about this Brizy AI. Okay, so you can check it out. It has almost the all popular and the major element and the block section available. So if I click here on this files kind of this section, you can see we got some ready-made blocks and the templates available. For example, you want to add the new hero section. Right now there's the hero section already available, but you want new hero section. So you can see drag and drop or reorder. So let me okay, this is for the reordering, not for the adding. Okay, for example, this hero section available on the top, but I want to make it here after this block section of the red color. So let me make it here, and now you can see this red color block section will be the above of this hero section. So make it just as it is, and now you can see. So you can drag and drop all these elements of your website. Then this is the next thing, that is for your fonts, for your color theme or color palette. In the one single click, I can change all the colors palette for this website. right now. Let me tell you simply what you can do. You can use its AI. So let me go to here, click on the AI, and now it is redesigned with the colors. Let me click here one again, and now you will see the color is changed. So that is also the really beautiful part. I want to change the fonts here. So let me click here on this AI button, and now it will just change the fonts. That is how pretty much easy it is. Okay, so right now suppose your any action is got invalid or the mistake you have done. What you can do, here's the undo and the redo button option available, so you can use it here to make the changes as it before it was. So let me click here and change it again to my previous version. Okay, then this is for the message section. I don't know what it is, so we have to click it here and check it out. So okay, this is for the collaboration. So you want to collaborate with the other project member or the your team member, so you can go to the Brizy cloud and access to those collaborations. Okay, so this is what this message icon is available. You want to see the website how it's look like on the desktop view, mobile view, or tablet view. You can select the view here and check it out how your website is looking on the different devices version here. Okay, so once everything is done, you can just simply click here on the update and plus publish the website, and now this website is ready to share with the others. You can also add your custom domain with the website, and boom, you are done within the just around the 10 or 15 minutes with the fully working website out of your Google My Business or the template you have used, or might be you have the idea of your website but the AI you have created already. So that's the power of Brizy AI. Okay, plus there's also so many great features I want to talk about, but this video will be the mic a little bit more extra. So let me know in the comments if you want a detailed video on any of these things. For example, let me first refresh the page. For example, you want a detailed video on its AI builder. By the way, I have already give you the demo, but if you still want a detailed video on its AI website builder with the step-by-step tutorial, let me just know in the comments. Or you want a detailed video on the Brizy WordPress plugin, how you can use its plugin for your WordPress site to create or generate the website with the help of AI, then also let me know in the comments. I will also create a detailed video on that purpose. It has so many templates available that I have already showed you, where no matter what kind of the business available or you want to generate a website on that, there's the template available. With a single click you can just use it for your business. After that, you need to just customize some text on the images or the information, and you are done with it here. Okay, so now let me talk about the pricing about this tool here. So like I said, it's starting from the just $59, and here you will get lifetime access of its Brizy cloud. Okay, means you can also host the website on the lifetime with the one-time payment of the $59. So let's go to the features section. You will get the unlimited AI or the free landing pages, unlimited multi-page websites. So all this stuff you are getting the unlimited. That is also good part. You are going to get unlimited SSL, unlimited hosting included here. You can see hosting included. That is the just itself thing that is giving the value on this money here. So let me see in this single $59 one-time payment how many websites you can create or the generate. So 5 website and the 5 workspaces. You can see less than around the $12 of website you are getting the hosting unlimited, your SSL you are getting unlimited, landing pages, multi-pages website you can create or with the external pop-ups or the alert bar under the less than $12 a website. That is mind-blowing here. In the $12 of the cost, you can create or design the website, sell out in the multi-folds, and you can get the profit. That is also the really good thing I liked with the Brizy AI. In the double plan, you can get the more extra features, more extra website, like the 10 website in the double plan. In the triple or the multiple plan, you will get the 15 websites. So the higher number of the codes you will get, the higher number of the websites or the workspaces you will get, and in that plan here. Okay, so this is the Brizy website. Let me also give you its dashboard, how its dashboard look like. Okay, so let me go to Brizy, click on the login. A little bit glimpse of its dashboard I will show you here. So you can see this is the Brizy cloud. This is your Brizy WordPress plugin. So you can download the Brizy plugin here and use it on your website itself too. if you want a detailed video on the Brizy WordPress, let me know in the comments. I will create a detailed video and tutorial. So right now let me go to the Brizy cloud, because here we can design and create our website here. So you can check it out here. We have created the few testing websites with the Brizy cloud, so I can create the video on it, and these are all the previous projects. So that's how it will look like. Now right now let me click here on the create a new project. So let me click it here, and it will show you what you want to generate or create, whether it's your website landing page or the pop-up or the story. So story basically means the small mini website you are going to specially design for the mobile devices. You can see for mobile. I don't want to talk about it because we want to create the website and the landing page. So let me click here, and now it will show you create from the scratch, generate with the AI, or starting with the templates. So let me click on the starting with the templates, because this is the highly suggestible. We have already the good designs of the templates available. So you have to simply click here any of the business. Let me go with the business. Okay, so now we have all the templates highly relevant to the businesses available, whether it's driving, handyman, all this stuff. So we can select any of these templates and start customizing the text, images, and make it better according to our needs. But don't worry if you don't have any templates relevant to you. What you can do, you can just create out of AI. So you can see, let's click again, and now you can see the feature generate with the AI. Okay, and now we are back again on this same option, where we have to search out that your Google My Business name. If you don't have your Google My Business, might be possible. So what you have to just add your website or the business name here. Okay, so let me click here on the some ideas. Let's go with this InnoHub. Now click on the next step, and after that it will ask you your industry. So my industry, like me, let's go with the social media marketing. Okay, so let's go with the digital marketing. Now let's click on the next step, and here then it will ask you the business description. So here you have to describe the business in the detailed format, so it can analyze the information given by you, and based on that create the website or generate the website. So I already have this description is ready. Like I have the website description, what kind of the website I want the home page, I want the service offer. So this kind of the detailed information you have to already ready and give to the Brizy AI. Now let's click on the build website. Okay, so it will take some time to analyze your information and build the website, and based on that I already have created a website here, and this is how your this is how your website is going to be generated. So this is the demo I am just giving you out. Okay, so right now let me close this one. This is how it is going to generate your website. You will got the logo, you will got your social icons, menu, all this stuff. Okay, and right now I know this is not perfect, so we are going to customize and make it perfect. Like I can customize the text, I can customize this background image, I can customize this blog section, I can all this stuff. And if I want to add the blocks, I can go this plus button and select the blocks or elements and drag and drop it here. So this is the Brizy AI, and I can customize it. I can just get the unlimited hosting, connect to my custom domain, and make my website ready in just few minutes, around the half an hour maximum. So this is all the thing I want to talk about in this video. Might be possible you want to get this deal, the link will be given in the description. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.